Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore here, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in today's video, we're going to see my top 3 stock picks for the month of May. So plenty people have requested me to tell me what's the stock that I am trying to buy in this month. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you what are the, in different mini stocks, I'm going to show you my top 3 stock picks for the month of May. Alright, let's see. So, all right, guys. So the first pick for the day is, so it's called the Andhra Sugars. So this will be our first pick, and so as you can see, why I'm picking the stock is, we can see there was a good movement last week, and it went about 16 percentage, and as you can see from here, there was a good trend lines resistance for a long term. So as you can see this, there was a good resistance level, and recently last week the trend line was even able to break, and the market broke about the trend line. And one more thing, what we can see is in the monthly chart, see the pattern was, we had a head and shoulder pattern, and finally the head and shoulder has also been broken. So my expectation is, since the weekly close was above the trend line and the head and shoulder pattern has been, the neckline has been broken, so I'm expecting Andhra Sugars to go up. There may be a little bit of retracement because of the breakout. Just now we had a 16% last week. We may have a little bit of a correction. It can come up to 345 or 350, but still I'm expecting it will go all the way long up. We may expect around 460 to 480 for the moment in Andhra Sugar. So this is my first pick for the day. And the next one is called the Great Eastern Shipping. Now, why did I pick this stock? Is even in this one, as you can see, this is the major level of resistance in the monthly chart. As you can see, the market was not able to break above this, and we are at the same level. Now, my suggestion to this script is, do not enter immediately. So I'm not looking to go for a buy entry immediately, because I just want the weekly candle to close above 320. See, now it's around 315, just 5 more points to break above and close at 320. So my suggestion is, once the candle closes, wait for a next week. And once the candle closes in weekly chart above 320, then we can go for a buy. So see, this has a good line of support here, and the market is respecting it. But my suggestion, Great Eastern Shipping, don't go for immediate buy. Wait for the market to close above 320 in weekly time frame, and then once the weekly time frame closes above it, then we can go for a buy. So until then we have to wait. So this is my second pick. I'm just waiting for one more week to see the movements in the script. All right, and the third one is Coal India. So my third pick will be Coal India, since Coal India is has already formed a head and shoulder pattern. So you can see it formed a head and shoulder pattern. My expectation, it's going all the way up, and now it has taken a nice level of support over here, and so I'm expecting a huge momentum in Coal India in the next few months. And this will be for I'll be holding it for a few months, and I'm expecting a good amount of return in this, and this as acting as a support. See, even last Friday we had a huge fall in Nifty, almost more than 200 points, but still Coal India was able to gain like 3 to 4%. So I think Coal India is trying to recover now, since already it has fallen a lot. Now the script is trying to recover. So my third pick will be Coal India, and I'm going for a buy in this. Yeah, this is a good script, and we can expect a long term. Maybe if you can hold the stocks for a few months, we can expect around 200 to 213. That will be my long term target for Coal India. So these are the three stocks which I picked for the month of May. So many have requested. So these are my three top picks. So one is the Andhra Sugars, which I'm going for a buy, and then we have Great Eastern Shipping, which I'm waiting for a breakout and close in weekly, and then I'm going for a buy in Coal India. So these are the three top picks.
So these are the three stocks which I picked for the month, and see, these are all for long-term investments. Don't think today you buy a stock and tomorrow it goes up or it comes down, you get into a panic state. No. So these are for long-term investment, minimum 2 to 3 months I used to hold a stock. If it gives me a good amount of return on investment, then I used to close a stock. So this is for long-term investments. Don't try to get panics if it goes down a little bit, like 2%, 3%. So we are hoping the market will sustain, and these stocks can move up. So that is why I'm picking these three stocks for this month. So I hope this video will be useful for you, and thank you very much for tuning in. Take care.